from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Amin, amin ya rabbal alamin. Okay, next I will check your causes of in our class. Okay, I will call you one by one and please raise your hand and give the response. Okay, thank you ya. Saya absen dulu, silakan angkat tangannya dan berikan jawaban ya. Vera.
Yes, Ma'am.
Oke, Yuna. Oke, Tiara. Santi. And the last is Okta.
Yes, Ma'am.
Oke, complete ya class?
Yes.
Okay, good. Before our start my material today, I give you quotes from the day or motivated for you. Either apa yang kita pelajari dengan senang, dengan semangat, penuh dengan suka, penuh dengan keikhlasan, itu tidak akan pernah kita lupakan. Sama seperti pembelajaran kita hari ini, kalian harus melaksanakannya atau mengikutinya dengan hati yang senang, with your pleasure, with your excited, and with your spirit to follow in this lesson class. Next, the last meeting we have finished discuss about the biography. Sepertinya sudah selesai ya. For enough to discuss. I'm sorry, I have a mistake to read this in this slide. For the next meeting, we will discuss about personal context. Okay, and for today, we will the same material for you. We will talk about or discuss about the personal context. Jadi untuk pertemuan hari ini kita masih melanjutkan tentang pembahasan personal context. For the purpose that we discuss about personal context in the next meeting, the purpose is analyzing about definition, characteristic, generic structure, and language feature. Jadi, so this is the different purpose for lesson today. Untuk tujuan pembelajaran hari ini akhirnya sedikit berbeda. Untuk kemarin kita masih melaksanakan pemahaman. Now for the purpose today, the first is able to write personal context well. Listen today, the first is able to write personal context. Jadi nanti kalian harus mampu atau bisa membuat sebuah teks personal dengan baik. Sampai di sini bisa dipahami ya? Oke. For this is answer to this activity to make the personal context, you must remind the personal context. Jadi sebelum kita masuk, bagaimana nanti kita membuat personal context? Yuk kita mengulang kembali seperti pembelajaran atau penjelasan yang sudah disampaikan in the past meeting. What is the personal context? Okay, characteristic. Tell about the characteristic of personal context. The first is in the context there is no conflict told by the author, only the story. Ayo. Tetapi based on your fact lah tentunya, based on your fact. Personal context is based on the author's fact. Jadi meskipun itu hanya cerita, tetapi personal context itu sendiri harus berdasarkan benar-benar kejadian yang dialami oleh the authors atau penulis dari cerita. Sequence. And then using action verb. And then Please start and stand up. Stand up. Okay.
The simple past tense is a sentence that is used to tell about events that happened in the past and things are added in the past as well. So the past tense is used when you are telling a story in the present about past activities.
Okay, thank you very much. Simple past tense. Kalian harus paham betul bagaimana kita menggunakan kalimat simple past tense. Kenapa? Dengan tujuan ketika kita sudah paham betul penggunaan kalimat simple past tense, untuk selanjutnya kalian membuat personal context itu kalian sudah mampu atau paham. Kenapa? Because to make the personal context is usually use the simple past tense. Karena kejadian yang kalian alami itu sudah berlalu, sudah dialami dan saat ini sudah selesai. So the present sentence used is the simple past tense. Question word. Question word itu menggunakan kata tanya what, where, when, why, and how. Itu rumusnya sama dengan question word and then plus date, subject, verb one, object, and question mark. Jadi rumusnya sama dengan interrogative sentence, hanya di awal kalimat ditambahkan dengan kata tanya 5W 1H. What, when, where, and then who, why, and the last is how. 5W 1H. Okay, sampai sini you understand? Yes. Okay. Next, time to make a group discussion. Okay? Okay, what to do for group? And for each group consists of, please move to make a one group. Understand what I mean? Okay. Please pay attention and listen in. The first group, Okta, Rahel, okay, Nesti, Resmi, and Vera. Group is Bella, Rizka, Siti, Sofia, Salwa. Okay, please move to make a group. Okay, silakan your activity in your group. The first activity on the personal recount text based on your experience about your holiday, and you must make the text one by one. I give you the paper. Please write your personal recount text in here. Okay? Don't forget to pay attention about generic structure and language feature. Perhatikan ketika kalian membuat personal recount text, yang harus kalian perhatikan penggunaan maybe. Salwa is finished? Okay, good.